Oral advocacy is an art. One of the best pieces of advice that I was given early in my career was not to copy anyone. The trick is to watch experienced people do advocacy in court and then take the best parts of it and adapt them for your own style. The important thing when advocating in court is to find your own voice. That's the thing that needs to be done. On the 31st of October, I'll be giving a lecture for the Singapore Academy of Law on oral advocacy. Now at the lecture, I'll be talking about structuring oral submissions, making sure the law and the facts are marshalled and presented appropriately, and that the conclusions that you're asking the judge to accept are properly drawn. We'll be demonstrating it by reference to a fictitious murder trial taking place in New Zealand, in which Rena C and Karen Cho from Bankside in Singapore will present as prosecution and defence. I look forward to seeing you then.